Now I will show you how to do the chain cast off, chain 1 cast off or bind off. So you're gonna need your knitting tool to remove the stitches from the loom, and a thicker hook if you work with this thickness of yarn. So you're gonna do chain 1. You pull the first stitch of the loom, chain 1, and then you get the next, put it on the crochet hook, and then again chain 1, get the next stitch of the loom, put it on the hook, take it through the previous stitch and chain 1, getting the next stitch of my loom. You can do it with your hands, but it's easier with your knitting tool. And then chain 1, I'll continue until the end of the row, and I'll show you the finished project in a minute. So here is the edge of the chain 1 cast off or bind off. And that's it. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching. If you like to support my channel, please give a like, subscribe, share or comment.